Guys, for today's video, ang pag-usapan natin ay itong credit card ni Security Bank. And ito yung gusto kong i-highlight. Kasi halos lahat naman ng kadalasan ng credit card is medyo pare-parehas na ng mga benefits or parang features eh. Kung meron kailang i-highlight dito, ito na yon. Ano ba to? Ito yung SimplyPay ni Security Bank. So, samahan niyo ako pag-aralan natin to. So, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and other good financial practice na meron ng experience at ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Today sa inyong lahat, ang i-review natin today ay all about credit card. Paano ba nagsimula to? So actually, I received call last Saturday, telesales of Security Bank. Usually ako, yung mga ganitong mga telesales na to, hindi ko to tinatanggap. Pero in-entertain ko to for one reason. Gusto kong malaman kung okay pa ba ang credit rating ko or credit score ko. Yes, meron merong way to get a credit score from an app, pero parang hirap. Tapos minsan hit or miss pa. Parang ito, it would be an indication for me na okay pa ang credit score ko. Okay, so I entertained this from Security Bank. So sabi niya,
"Sir, we're calling po because you have a pre-approved credit card coming from Security Bank."
Okay, so bakit ako pre-approved? One reason doon is nag-open ako ng dollar savings account sa kanila. So sabi niya, ganyan-ganyan, you are entitled for next Titanium Mastercard. Yan. So ako naman, okay, sige. Go ahead. You can process it, blah 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 blah. Pero sabi ko, can you also send me a note or reference number of this call kasi I wanted to be sure na taga Security Bank ka. And true enough, after the call, nag-send siya ng email and yung email address niya is really coming from Security Bank. So medyo legit naman. So one advice to everyone, yan, i-make sure nyo na lagi na yung kausap nyo is from that company talaga. Kunyari, credit card, nag-alok ng credit card siya, sabi niya from BPI siya. So make sure na taga BPI talaga siya, hingan nyo siya ng reference number para pwede nyo i-verify later on, or magpa-send kayo ng email na nag-usap kayo para makita mo yung email address niya para ma-verify mo. Okay. Pero going back, so yun na nga, though hindi ko masyado naiintindihan kung ano yung mga features ng card niya kasi parang pag telesales, ganun lang, na hindi mo masyadong mag-gets ka agad. So after that call, pagka-uwi ko sa bahay, chinek ko kung ano yung next Titanium Mastercard. So, ito na siya. So, sabi niya dito, no annual fee for life. Auto-convert to easy installment with only 1% add-on rate. So, medyo maganda siya. Hindi mo na kailangang itawag. Minimum of 5,000 pesos, pwede ka na mag-auto-convert ng purchases mo na maging installment. And 1% lang. Kung straight siya, guys, 3% ang i-charge sa'yo. Pero ito, auto-convert siya, 1% lang i-charge yung interest. Tapos, marami pa yung mga points, mga yan, pero hindi ako masyadong hindi ako masyadong na-attract sa mga ganyang features. Kasi almost pare-parehas naman ng mga credit card, may ganyan, may mga points. Ano pa ba? May miles conversion. Nakaka-attract ba yun? Parang hindi naman eh. Tinitingnan ko yung mga features sa card and napatigil ako sa isa. Sabi niya, SimplyPay. SimplyPay. So, ano yung SimplyPay? So, ito na. SimplyPay. Pay anything with a credit card for expenses that require bank deposit payments such as rent, business, tuition, and professional fees. But this is subject for approval. Okay, anong ibig sabihin nun? O ano ba itong SimplyPay na to? Example na lang. Pinakamadaling example. Kunyari, may inutangan kang pera in cash talaga. In cash umutang kang pera sa'yo.
Bigyan mo muna ako 10,000, pautang muna ako sa 10,000. Padala mo na dito sa akin.
O, binigyan ka, tapos magbabayad ka na. Wala ka pang pambayad. Paano mo siya babayaran? Pwede mo siyang bayaran through credit card. Usually, ginagamit natin yung credit card sa mga credit card terminals, di ba? O eto tao yung inutangan mo. As long as meron siyang bank account, mababayaran mo siya. Yun ang SimplyPay at yun ang kinagandahan netong Security Bank. Kahit paano, pwede mong i-convert yung credit card mo into cash. Or, tama nga kung meron kang pinagkakautangan ng iba. Or tuition, yan. Hindi naman lahat ng school is nag-accept ng mga credit card or debit cards, di ba? Meron silang bank account na pwede ka mag-deposit. Pero para magkaroon sila ng card terminal. Additional expense kasi yun para sa school. So, ito, pwede mo nang bayaran using your credit card. And that's not all, guys. Babayad ka. Pwedeng straight, pwede ring installment. Saan ka pa? O, yung installment na yan, meron lang din siyang additional charge na 1%. So, hindi na masama. Gagamitin mo yung credit card mo pambayad, pwede siyang maging installment. Mas madali para sa'yo. At 1% interest rate lang. So, sana meron perfect credit card, no? Yung merong SimplyPay, yung merong mataas na credit limit. Yung mga previously na na-discuss ko, sana merong ganun na lahat ng magagandang features na nasa isang card lang. The ultimate credit card. Sana may ganun. Pero how I wish na meron. Okay, anyway. So, paano ba nag-a-apply yung SimplyPay? So, basically, ganito lang naman. Meron kang fill up na form and then i-enter mo yung details mo and then yung details ng babayaran mo, basically yan, bank account name, etc. etc. The minimum transaction amount for straight payment is 1,000 pesos. So, yun lang. May minimum na 1,000. While for installment, it's 3,000 pesos. Fees and add-on rates will be automatically charged against the cardholder's account once processed. Yung maximum na availment naman ng pwede mong i-SimplyPay is up to 500,000. So, but take note, guys, once you apply for a SimplyPay transaction, this is subject for approval. So, it is not 100% guarantee. So, ayun yung disclaimer natin. Not 100% guarantee since it is subject for review and approval ng mga taga-credit something ni Security Bank. Hindi ko na i-discuss yung next titanium card in details kasi pare-parehas naman talaga mga credit card features. Nagkakaiba na lang sa mga special features nila like SimplyPay. Yan. Kaya yun ang pinagtuunan ko ng pansin on this review about Security Bank's next Titanium Mastercard. So, kung ma-approve man ako, ibig sabihin nun, medyo maganda ang credit score ko kasi in-approve nila ako. Kahit hindi ako employed and freelance lang ang trabaho ko and itong YouTube and business namin, thank you, Lord. Okay, so for our question of the day, kung meron kang Security Bank credit card, at gagamitin mo ang SimplyPay, saan-saan mo gagamitin ang SimplyPay? At bakit? So, sa lucky commenter of the day natin, mananalo kayo ng 100 pesos GCash. And that's not all. Meron pa tayong 2 lucky winners na mananalo ng 50 pesos GCash giveaway sa magko-comment ng hashtag Road to 75K. Thank you for watching, guys. But before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at JY2344. Sabi niya, madami ako natutunan kay Kuya S. Heart, lalo na sa Go Time at Siba. At JY2344, thank you, sir, for subscribing and watching my videos. And thank you so much po na nakatulong po ako sa inyo. Always stay tuned kasi tuloy-tuloy naman po ang pag-share ko ng information sa inyo that will enrich our financial intelligence. So, yun lang muna for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. I hope you could like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala namang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again, guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!